Hello learners! I am your teacher Sammy Borje from Manabu National High School, and welcome to the whole new learning experience. I am sure you had a great time studying your previous lesson. We are now in week 6 for the third quarter in Mathematics 10. Have you ever wondered why couples need a priest or a judge for their wedding, and how important traffic lights are? Well, for this episode, we will relate things regarding similarities and differences. At the end of this video lesson, you are expected to illustrate events and union and intersection of events, and solves problems involving union and intersection of events. Before we proceed to our discussion, let us confirm these symbols. Can you describe this symbol? Yes, very good. This is in U style. And you are right. This symbol is union. How about this? Exactly. Inverted U. It is a symbol for intersection. How about this symbol? Correct. It is an empty set or null set. And now, you're ready to learn the lesson for today. What are experiments? These are activities which could be repeated and have a well-defined result. These results in an experiment are outcomes, while the set of all outcomes in an experiment is what we call sample space. It is usually denoted as letter S and can be written using the set notation. The subset of a sample space is event. Moreover, it is a specific or collection of outcomes, while the cardinality refers to the number of elements of the set. It is denoted by N of A. Let us consider these examples. Our experiment is tossing a coin. Let us complete the task. What are the possible outcomes? Yes, we only have head and tail. Therefore, our sample space is S is equal to head tail, or S is equal to HT, wherein H stands for head and T stands for T. And the cardinality of our sample space is N of A is equal to 2. How about rolling a die? What are the possible outcomes, sample space, cardinality, and possible events? Alright, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 possible outcomes, since a die has 6 different faces. Therefore, sample space is S is equal to the set of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, while its cardinality is 6. For the possible events are getting 5, getting odd numbers, getting even numbers, and more. Take note that the cardinality may vary depending on the event. Wow! You guys are amazing! Very good! Moving forward, the blending of both sets and indicated as OR with a special symbol U is union. On the other hand, if the two sets overlap and indicates AND with special symbol inverted U is what we call intersection. Union of event is an event that is something has happened and always associated with an experiment. It consists of elements belonging to event A, event B, or both events A and B. This is written as A or B, or A union B. While the events that are occurring together is intersection of events. Even if one event holds false, all will be false. It consists of all elements in events A and B at the same time. It is written as A and B, or A intersection B. Given the following set, we have event A is equal to the set of all elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and event B is equal to the set of all elements 6, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let us consider the diagram of event A and event B. The two circles were overlapped because there are similarities or common elements of both events A and B that must be written at the center. These are 6 and 10. Afterwards, we can now write the elements belongs to event A, which are 2, 4, 8, 6, and 10. And next, for event B, we have 13, 11, 12, 6, and 10. Let us now analyze the union and intersection of events A and B. For A union B is writing all the elements of both events, but common elements should only be written once. Then A union B is equal to the set of all elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. How about A intersection B? Yes, we will write only the common elements of events A and B. Is A intersection B is equal to the set of elements 6, 10. Good job, learners! You are doing great! For a deeper understanding, let us appreciate these examples. For our first example, if events A is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and event B is 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35, let's identify A union B by writing all the elements of event A and event B. We can have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 for event A, and 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 for event B. Then A union B is the set of all elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. There is no common elements. It means A intersection B is an empty set. For our second example, if event A are letters from the word Abel and event B are all the vowels, then given event A, we have A, B, E, L, while event B, we have A, E, I, O, U. What could be A union B? We can now write all the elements of events A and B. For event A, the elements are A, B, E, L, while event B, the elements are A, E, I, O, U. But we can add only I, O, U. Therefore, A union B is equal to the set of all elements A, B, E, L, I, O, U. How about A intersection B is equal to set of elements A, E. Next example, given this diagram, let's write the given. For event A, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. While event B, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Include their intersection since they belong to both events. What is A union B? Getting all the elements in event A and only 4, 6, 8 will be added from event B since they were already written. Therefore, A union B is the set of all elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 4, 6, 8. While intersection of A and B is equal to the set of all elements 3, 5, 7. Fourth example, take a look for this another diagram. The given elements for event A are 0, 1, 2, 3, while event B are 10, 11, 12, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 does not belong to both event A and event B. What is A union B now? Combining the elements in event A and the elements in event B. Therefore, A union B is equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12. While A intersection B is null set since there are no the same elements. There are 3 steps in solving problems involving union and intersection intersection of events. First step is start the problem on the last clue or information given. Next, subtract the given number of elements in the intersection from the class stated in the problem. Last step, the remaining elements that does not belong to both events must be placed outside the two circles. SDO Abra surveyed 100 learners who participated on the Division School Press Conference to find out how many learners both Ilocano and Tingyan blood. From the survey, 31 learners are Ilocano, 26 are pure Tingyan, and 12 have both Tingyan and Ilocano blood. Consider this diagram. Event I for Ilocano and T for Tingyan. The given in the problem are cardinality of Ilocano, which is equal to 31. Number of Tingyan is 36, and there are 12 learners who are both Ilocano and Tingyan. Then, in the diagram, the shaded part is the intersection. This will be the clue from our first step. 12 will be written since 12 learners belongs to both. How many learners who are Ilocano or Tingyan? We are referring to the cardinality of Ilocano plus the number of Tingyans minus their intersection. Substituting the values 31 plus 26 minus 12 from our given is equal to 45. How about learners who are not Ilocano or Tingyan? Out of 100 learners, we subtract the cardinality of I and T that we got a while ago. So, 100 minus 45 is 55. That can be placed outside the circles but inside the rectangle since they don't belong to any of the events. Let us solve those who are pure Ilocano. Using the second step, subtract the given number of Ilocano to the intersection. That is, cardinality of I is equal to cardinality of I minus cardinality of I intersection T. We have 31 minus 12 from the given is equal to 19. Therefore, there are 19 Ilocano learners. While Tingyan, doing the same step, 26 minus 12 from the given equals 14. Means there are 14 pure Tingyan from the 100 learners.
Wow! Congratulations! You guys have showed very well your new skills in illustrating events, union and intersection of events. You deserve a round of applause.
What do you think are the reasons behind wars? How important union and intersection in our life? Should there be unity? No matter how we differ from each other, there should at least be an intersection of standards to avoid fights and misunderstanding.
Union and intersection will not only help you solve mathematical problems, but also for real-life problems. Union creates strong partnership. If we intersect our faith to God, then we are creating a peaceful mind. And that ends our video lesson for today. You can now answer the remaining activities on your learning activity sheet. See you on our next episode. See you everyone!